Emergency provisions, as enshrined in Part 18 of the Indian Constitution, Articles 352 to 360, are special powers granted to the President and central government to handle extraordinary situations that threaten the nation's integrity, security, or stability. These provisions allow the government to bypass normal legislative procedures, restrict certain rights, and take decisive action during crises. Types of emergencies. 1. National emergency, Article 352, declared when the security of India is threatened by war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. 2. President's rule, Article 356, imposed when the state government fails to function effectively or when the state is under state of emergency, transferring the administrative machinery to the Union. And 3. Financial emergency, Article 360, declared when the financial stability or credit of India is threatened. Causes of emergencies. 1. National emergency, war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. 2. President's rule, failure of state governments, inability to administer the state, or a state of emergency. And 3. Financial emergency, economic instability or financial distress. Effects of emergencies. 1. National emergency allows the President to suspend certain fundamental rights, empower the Union government to legislate on state-list subjects, and give the central government greater control over the states. 2. President's rule transfers the administrative machinery of the state to the Union, with the President's representative, the Governor, exercising executive powers. And 3. Financial emergency grants the Union government broad powers to control state finances, including imposing restrictions on state spending and salaries. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.